I'm in desperate need of replacing my wipers on my Subaru Outback, and I chose this brand to do the replacement. And I feel I got a great deal because, first of all, everything came well packaged, everything fit to size, and the performance of the wipers so far is a number one. So this is a 3 wiper replacement, comes with the arms, and this fits my particular car. And for the deal that you get and what you receive is top notch. It has a nice protective little shield for the blades, so you know they're not going to come damaged in shipping or even while you're installing them. Their original equipment replacement. I always like to have a super clean windshield for visibility in all types of weather, and it was pretty much plug and play, easy to change, no fuss, and I really like the performance of these so far, and I will buy again. And you should check them out if you're looking for a wiper, and you could buy with confidence because so far so good with me.